you gonna do
I
tonight?
don't even know. I was just thinking the same thing. Do a movie night.
I mean, yeah, a movie sound good. Yeah, we could do that. What you thinking? Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Plus.
Always lying on Stu Wilkos. And watch when she get caught.
I mean, I don't. Girl, she been with her man like 5 years.
I know a liar when I see a liar, you know? Why do you have a toilet paper or something?
Let me go look. Hold on. Use this rag. This all I got.
A rag?
This is all I got. Why do you keep making that noise?
Nails.
So this all I got.
What am I, Harriet Tubman? I'm not wiping my butt with a rag. Let's take some shots.
Okay, we could do the shots, but listen, you've been making that noise all night. I'm kind of getting tired of it a little bit.
What noise?
You